How's it going, guys? It's Dean from LazyLife Productions, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add text to your footage in Davinci Resolve 17. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, to add text to your footage, what you're going to do is make sure you're in edit mode. Then you're going to go over to the left to your toolbox, go down to titles, and now in this folder there are a lot of templates of text. But just for a simple one today, we're just going to use the standard text title, and you're going to put that above your footage. And there it is. That is how you add text. Now, if you want to change it, because I'm pretty sure you don't want to keep it as basic title, what you're going to do is head over to your inspector. If it's not selected, just click it up top here on the top right. And then you're going to go over to title if you're on the video tab. Click title. And this is where you'll change the text. So let's just change it to winter, because it's a winter background. Now you have full control of the entire text in this title tab. You can change the font to whatever you want. You can change the color, the type of font that it is, the size. You can add a stroke to it. Anything that you basically need to edit the text is done right here. If you enjoyed this video and you found it useful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I'll be back with another one very soon. See you later.